Well, today's project is called Seat Slammers from Desert Does It. I have, these are all the parts, bolts, a cut template, drill template, and instructions. So we'll see with everything I need. So I got everything out said, but we'll see. So where'd it go? There it is. The one thing you are going to need is a 10mm 12-point socket. That way you can get the seat out. And I went ahead and took the door off just to make it easy. So now the seat can come out. 2 bolts on the front, 2 bolts in the back. We will get a light set up. Alright, I think I take that back. Let's try 3/8 regular 6-point socket. Because the 10mm, not really, I thought it was a 12-point, but I don't know what it is. Some weird socket. Apparently these are really tight, and it's kind of angled like this, not straight up and down. So that's why I was having problems with the socket. Now, should be a couple connectors under here. Gotta get this tool out again. Alright, those 2 connectors. That one pushes in right there after you pull the red thing. And this one, pull the red thing, get a screwdriver in there and pop that. As you can see, I kind of cheated. Got that one done. That way you don't make fun of me for messing up. So now we'll do this other one. It's not too bad. And I put tape down now after doing that other one. That way I don't get shavings on there. So I ended up using 2 washers. Space this up. I push this thing pretty much as far forward as I can get it. Tighten it with a 15. The wrench side's kind of a pain in the butt. 5mm. I already put Loctite on there. Well, that should do it. So we'll see what it does. Let me get the seat cleaned up a little bit and see if I can get her back in. On the back, you got a UZ spacer and the provided bolts. Alright, let's see. I don't know if you can see in the video. Definitely looks lower. Now let's get in and check it out. Oh yeah. It already feels better. Let me see. Let me get to my comfy position. I just feel like my butt's more down in here. My legs are a little back. More like a recliner position. Might have to actually move the seat forward one knot. So you can make sure. Oh yeah, still slides. Oh yeah, that's better. I can actually wear a hat in here now, and I'm all the way sat up. Before I feel like I had to slouch. I can maybe even use the lumbar finally. Oh yeah, that's better. It's not too bad. I think I like it. I'll have to go for a drive and check it out. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a great night. See ya.